Unveiling the rich harvest. Understanding, it's a bumper crop. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its many phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to explore a particularly interesting phrase. It's a bumper crop. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. It's a bumper crop is an expression that originates from the agricultural world. Traditionally, a bumper crop refers to an exceptionally large and successful harvest, one that exceeds normal yields. This phrase is used to describe a situation where there is an abundance of produce, more than what was expected or needed. But it's not just limited to agriculture anymore. Metaphorically, this phrase can be applied to any situation where there is an abundance or a large quantity of something. For example, if a bookstore receives an unusually large shipment of books, you could say they have a bumper crop of books. To fully understand, it's a bumper crop. Let's break it down. Bumper. Originally, this term had to do with something that is unusually large. It's thought to come from the idea of a glass filled to the brim with wine or beer, so much so that it bumps up over the edge without spilling. Crop. In the most literal sense, a crop is a plant or plant product that is grown and harvested extensively for profit or subsistence. When we talk about a crop in this context, we're usually referring to agricultural products like grains, fruits, or vegetables. When combined, these two words convey the idea of an unusually large or successful harvest, which can be literal or figurative. Now that we understand what "it's a bumper crop" means, let's see how we can use this expression in our conversations or writings. 1. In a literal agricultural context, the farmers were overjoyed this season. It's a bumper crop of wheat, thanks to the favorable weather. 2. In a figurative sense, our latest app release has seen a bumper crop of downloads within the first week. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, "it's a bumper crop." Whether you're talking about an abundant harvest of fruits or metaphorically referring to any large quantity of something, this phrase adds a rich layer of imagery to your language. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more confident in using "it's a bumper crop" in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning!